1/4-inch NPT quick couplers and pressure gauges allow for usage of two pneumatic tools at the same time. Oil-free pump requires no external lubrication for a longer span. 6-gallon tank constructed with reinforced steel for a maximum pressure of 150 psi. 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi ensures quick tank refill times during usage. Features an easy-to-reach tank drain valve, an 11.5 amp motor, two 1/4-inch NPT quick couplers, two pressure gauges. The pancake-style tank and the three rubber-footed legs combine to maximize stability, preventing the compressor from tipping over during operation. The 11.5 motor and the reinforced steel tank work together to provide a maximum pressure of up to 150 psi. The auto shutdown function turns the compressor off once it reaches its maximum pressure for safe and reliable compressing. The oil-free design requires no external lubrication from users, while the easy-to-reach quarter-turn tank drain valve makes for easy release of built-up air and condensation. This single-stage compressor boasts air flow rates of 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi and 3.6 SCFM at 40 psi.